AI just hit 7.6 billion in market value for 2025. It's growing at 45% per year, and most entrepreneurs are still sitting on the sidelines watching. Minority Mindset called it, "This is a once-in-a-decade wealth transfer." AI automation is replacing 100K salaries with 5K systems. The people building those systems, they're getting rich. Meanwhile, you're still doing manual work that AI could handle in 10 minutes. Data entry, content creation, customer service, all automatable right now. Here's the reality. Early movers win. Late movers compete. And non-movers, they work for the people who moved first. The AI wealth gap is widening daily. Either automate your business or become obsolete. Your choice, but choose fast. 2026 won't wait.